All right, Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's its next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? We can see that Bitcoin is rolling over here. What does that mean? And what happened over here? Like, how did that trade go? I hope you guys were paying attention because that was interesting. And we were talking about that and more and how we traded that very, very well. Alrighty, so thank you for joining my show. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pod 555, staying alive in Dubai, but I'm going to Bali tomorrow. Yes, for the financial summit. I hope I will see some of you who are watching this video there. If you are there, hit me up, say hi, right? Alrighty, so I already gave away a ticket for the Bali, and I'm looking forward to seeing a friend over there. Okay, so let's see here. Let's get on with this, right? Remember, if you want to trade this, you can head over to bybit.davincij15.com, and now soon to be added OKX at okx.davincij15.com. Alrighty, so let's head over and take a look at the charts. Yes, the charts, and we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Don't forget, Dogecoin will be coming up soon. So, okay. First off, remember on Friday, I was like, okay, this is nonsense. This is going to probably break through here as it was shopping around. So this is where I'm going to put my entry just below this. It was 105. So 20,105, sorry. And then I said you could also put it below this marker of $20,001, just a little bit lower, and look at that. I told you, yeah, I told you so. And it immediately reversed. It was like, that was the most obvious, right, with that trade. Yeah. Now, I know you guys were like, but you were wrong about the overall direction. Yes. Yes, trading is not a 100% science. I could have been just as wrong as these moves as I was about the overall general direction. It is just the way it is. Okay? Accept it, move on, and you trade it understanding that one thing. You are going to be wrong sometimes. And so with that understanding, that's why you never load the boat. You don't go crazy. 100%. Okay, that's it. This is my trade. I'm gonna make money, and if I don't, I'm just gonna move up. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Never do that. Okay. This is a marathon and not a sprint, right? You take your time, right, on your trading, and you make sure that you you do the best risk management. So with that said, let's go on to seeing what this is turning out to be. Now, odds are, right? We're not saying that it is going to be true, but odds are, let's just move this a bit. You can see that all this could turn into an M and like really screw with us. I really don't think this is happening. I think what's happening is we're gonna probably oscillate here for a while, and then boom, the next leg up. So this is something what we might do, something like this, like that, and yeah. So there you go. We are in that kind of trade scenario coming up. So what you want to do is like probably get the lows here. Try to get the lows. I already have some open orders down there. I'm gonna show it to you to get into get into the lows. Right, you can see I got my order exactly at the 20,105. Not a whole lot, but yes, I wanted to nibble, see what happens. If it dumped, I was just gonna walk away from it just below the previous all-time high here. But anyways, I mean not all-time high. Sorry. Previous high, which was like 19,700 or something like that. Yeah. So it shouldn't. I figured it shouldn't go below that, and yeah, whatever. That's it. Now I've got my stop losses a little bit higher than that. So because if it breaks this, it's yeah. we are finished, right? Because that's a clear M, and you have to walk away. right? So that's the way the ball bounces, and you must live with that. So the next thing we're looking for is the next trade we're looking to get into is somewhere approximately at the $20,266-ish, $69-ish area, to the $20,269 area. So that's where I'm looking to add more to my trade. Should it fail, the failure is of course down at the 20. Let me just remove some of these so that we can see that clearly. Right, is at the 20,000. No, actually, now it's a little bit lower than that. Actually, hang on, sorry. The $19,975 mark. That's where you want to walk away from the trade, just below that. Okay, that's basically Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, pretty much the same deal. I think we might actually just pump a little bit higher to touch a 200 period day average of daily average on one crazy pump. I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum does something like that. Ethereum looks completely different, which is good. You can see that it's just trying to get higher and higher slowly. We can probably see that even if it breaks with this Ethereum's odd little movements, right? Even a break below the 1476 may not end this move for Ethereum. It is still very powerful, but I really think that the $1,700 level is its target, and you know, that's where the 200 period day moving average. Now it could go a lot higher from there, right? Let's take a look at the daily. Let me just see the daily for a second here. Okay, yes, we have to consolidate a little bit more before we can see anything go higher, as the 13 EMA is just too far below it. So I would be concerned about you know, making any kind of long trade here. We've got to wait for it to you know, basically give us some sort of market structure, give us a W here, and then we can once we see a W on the 4 hour, we can then go. Well, obviously that'd be cleaner than that, right? It's got to be like boom, 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 boom. Like, yeah, like higher lows here, right? That's what kind of W's you want to look for. 2 higher lows. Okay, Dogecoin. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Elon, thank you. Well, I've been telling people. I've been telling it on TikTok, right? Twitter, and Instagram. Get some Doge. And people were like, oh, you know what? I lost all respect for you. I lost it. Yes, I understand that Doge has no future. I get that. Stop. Don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it. Okay? Yes, I don't like XRP, but I still trade it. Okay? So don't get too emotionally involved. Right? And just accept what the market does, right? And the market is gonna love on Doge. So you might as well make the money where the market is. All right? So now that I've proven myself, I've been clear, I've been telling you that the Doge is gonna be coming back. Came back earlier than I thought, but it did come back. And here it is. Now, what do? Do I buy a Doge up here? Anyone? Yeah, hell's no. That's right. Why is that? Because it went too far, too fast. And if you are not selling up here, you are a fool. If you bought down here and you're not selling up here, foolish. Yes, can Doge go like boom, 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 and even higher? Yes. But but the odds are it could also, because it's gone too far too fast, it could also just go, oh shoot, and come all the way back. Now I wouldn't say it'd probably do something like that. It'd probably do maybe the 88.6, but I don't see the problem is I don't see a clear breakout W here. So that concerns me. And because of that, right, you could see this thing come back further. So let's just put this actually over here, because that's where the majority of the trading is coming, and you can see the POC is there, so we might as well do that. And then you can see that the 88.6 is, you know, just above the breakout, the breakout level. But also at the 78.6, you can see that it's like, you know, okay, another point of breakout level that people could have bought. And yeah, so 78.6, anywhere from the 61.8 to the 78.6 is where you should be targeting buying this thing for the next pump, right? That's the area you want to buy this, not way up here. No, I forbid you to buy it way up here. Now, if you are concerned, want to buy something else, right? Yes, look at this. The SHIB, the Sheepster. Yes, that makes sense because it's coming right back into the 61.8, right? You could have started nibbling. So buying the 61.8, buying the 78.6, that is smart. That is smart. If you want to buy it here, even at this price, right? It's okay. It's just slightly above the 61.8. Not the end of the world, right? What's a few sats among friends, and yeah, you hold it for the next double, right? And that's how you do it. Do it the little old lady style, right? If you want to know how to do the little old lady, you just head over to www.davincicodes.net/videos, and the videos are free for there. And that's how you do it. It's really simple, and you don't want to buy highs. And this is a perfect coin to buy because it's not in its highs at all. Right? So even at this location, I think you're even at the POC, the point of control here at the, if this had a volume profile, it would show that we are at the point of control for Shiba. So yeah, you're not in a bad location at all to buy Shibs. Shibs. All right, well, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something today. I hope you gain some value, and you are going to be trading this, all this information at bybit.davincij15.com or okx.davincij15.com. All right, so remember, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. You need to own some. You need to be in the winning circle, and that's only if you own Bitcoin.